From cooking food like a professional chef to inspecting and fixing defects, robots have come a long way in 2021. Welcome to our channel, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at some of the most satisfying robots that exist. Here are some of the coolest machines you'll ever see. Number 10. Locus Robotics. For most of us, warehouses are just dull buildings with incessant rows of boxes and shelves, but these robots seem to make things 100 times more interesting and satisfying. Look at how seamlessly they move around the place and how effortlessly they do everything. These robots are manufactured especially for warehouses by Locus. Locus robots help the workers double their productivity. Apart from the smooth movements that are a treat to watch, these robots also come with a slew of benefits. Workers can monitor the work with just a few clicks. What's even better is its game-like interface that makes work even more fun. The best part about the whole deal is that Locus bots do all the moving, packing, and putting away actions so that the actual human workers do not have to walk around the warehouse for longer hours. Number 9. Festo E-Motion Butterflies. Hold up. Are we already in the future? Is it a dream? Festo's range of animal-inspired robots will surely have you second-guessing. The company works on bionics. It is a special branch of robotics that focuses on designing and engineering mechanical systems inspired by living organisms. But Festo isn't just copying nature. They are trying to learn from it. They want to use principles in biology to create solutions to technical problems. The most visually breathtaking creations they have made has to be the E-Motion Butterflies. These butterflies will change your perception of robots. The delicate wings and ultra-small power units combined together have led to something truly magical. You won't be able to even tell the difference from afar. With these butterflies, the company tapped into swarm behavior where some insects instinctively act as a cohesive group. Number 8. Boston Dynamics Spot. A dog that collects data and can capture thermal images? Is there any breed that can do that? The answer is no, but Boston Dynamics created a special doggo just for that. Named Spot, the four-legged robotic wonder is an efficient solution to make data collection easier and more extensive. Look at how the robo-dogs move. Doesn't it look like a creature from sci-fi? The fact that it can possibly outrun many humans made it seem a bit menacing to many. But the makers have time and again clarified that this robot is not meant for violence or anything related to wars and battles. You can schedule multiple tasks for Spot, such as collecting photos, thermal images, point clouds, and other important data. It can even process the data into valuable signals with computer vision models and create custom uploads to send the same signals to existing systems. This makes it easy to keep all the data in one place for review and analysis. Number 7. MIT Cheetah Robot. The Cheetah robots, created by MIT, are not what usually come to mind when you think of robots. These quadrupedal bots are just capable of a lot more than just walking. These can run, jump, and even do backflips. Now that's not something the sci-fi robots do in movies. That's not all. The MIT Cheetah can also play with a soccer ball. Do robots that can run fast scare you? Don't worry, the MIT Cheetah is not made for consumer use, and therefore the chances of these bots turning on you are close to zero. These bots have been made to be super durable and have modular design. The makers feel that it's going to be a great tool for researchers. These acrobatic robots have been described as virtually indestructible by the makers. Other than being extremely tough and durable, these robots have also been built in such a way that it is easy to modify and repair whenever the need arises. MIT feels the convenience and flexibility that comes with the Cheetah will make it useful for researchers who do not have access to robotics. Number 6. The Digit. You have already heard of drone delivery, but pretty soon humanoids are going to be delivering your packages. And a startup called Agility Robotics is bringing that revolution. Their brainchild, a bipedal robot called Digit, is already up for sale, and the first 2 units were bought by Ford Motors. The humanoid is roughly the size and shape of an average adult human. It has been designed to easily navigate conditions semi-autonomously with the help of LiDAR and numerous other sensors. Digit can carry boxes that weigh up to 40 pounds in its arms. According to the makers, Agility Robotics, Digit robots can be used to carry out a number of tasks in industrial inspection, telepresence, warehouses, and logistics. The robot can perform many functions independently, but it is still not able to adapt to new and unknown environments as effortlessly as a human would do. The bot can pick up and drop boxes completely on its own, but navigation may require some assistance. Number 5. Haircutting robot. During the lockdown, we all missed our hairstylist. But this man made a robot that will make sure that your hair does not have to suffer the consequences of a global pandemic. Shane Wyden's ingenious invention can give you a haircut. A scissor is attached to an adjustable lever that rotates around the head of the person. The machine then picks the hair and calculates how far it is from the person's scalp so that it doesn't harm the scalp. Then, with the help of a vacuum, it grabs a section of the hair and sucks it up to keep it in place. The tightly pulled back hair can now be cut at a correct angle. But who's controlling it all? Shane's machine is connected to a computer program. It allows you to choose what haircut you want. Now, how cool is that? Number 4. The Molly Robotic Kitchen. The Molly Robotic Kitchen takes kitchen gadgets to a whole new level. If you are someone who doesn't like cooking, you'll love this. London-based robotics company Molly will soon start selling this marvelous creation that is a boon in the kitchen. The ceiling-mounted device that took 60 years to be developed can cook over 5,000 recipes. But do you know what's better? It even cleans up the kitchen after the food is cooked. The robot features 2 arms which glide on a track installed in the ceiling. The arms can expertly recreate the delicacies cooked by professional chefs. All you have to do is pick a recipe from the list uploaded in the bot's memory and wait for your food to be prepared. Number 3. Underwater Robot Snake. Not many people are going to be happy with the idea of a robot snake that can swim underwater. For many years, it sounded like an idea straight out of a nightmare, but Carnegie Mellon University robot snake can prove to be extremely useful. With this project, the team wants to help the Department of Defense to inspect submarines and ships for damage. This can also help in routine maintenance. If the military wants to inspect a hard-to-reach area of the ship, like the hull, it will have to send a team of divers for inspection and wait for the updates. It takes a lot of time and money, but with the robot snake, inspection can be done quickly and efficiently. The robot can also alert the military immediately if there is any critical damage that needs to be addressed. Look how smoothly it can swim. Number 2. Robotic Puppy. Robots are great for research and inspection, but sometimes there is no harm in creating something for fun. Chip is a robot puppy that you will fall in love with. The little robot has a special wheel design that allows it to move in any direction and on any surface easily. It has gyroscopes and accelerometers that measure orientation and g-force and help the pup sense when you pick it up. That's not all, the robot can also feel when you pet it. It comes equipped with a speech recognition technology that allows the robot to listen and respond to its name and a list of commands. It even responds to gestures like touch, clap, and more. The toy robot comes with an app that you can control it with. Number 1. Toyota's Robotic Butler. Doesn't it sound like a dream to wake up to a clean home without moving a finger? Well, Toyota is determined to make that dream come true with its robotic butler. The robot arm, which hangs from the ceiling, does everything that you can ask for and more. The gantry robot will hang from a framework mounted on the ceiling and will be able to do tasks that we humans hate to do. You won't have to load the dishwasher anymore or clean the countertop after you are done cooking. It can even clear any clutter on the countertops and other surfaces at home. Since it is mounted overhead, the robotic arm will not interfere with any other furniture or structures indoors, and once the task at hand is done, the arm will tuck itself out of your way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never miss a video from us.